Welcome to Adobe Spark page. Here we will talk a little bit about some of the features with this app. First, you'll need to go to self-service to download your Adobe Spark page. When you open it, make sure you log in with Google. Sign up by putting in your school email and then your school password for Google. Then you will come to this page. You will see some inspiration here on this page. But then you can also look at your pages once you've made some, and you can tap the plus to add a page. Then you will see a pop-up where it says, your pages are available everywhere. Spark page automatically syncs your projects to your Adobe account, so you can start here and continue creating across all your devices. Just press OK, got it, and then give access to your photos. On this page, what you'll do is you'll be putting a title. You can put a subtitle underneath, and then when you tap photo, then you can make a header right up here that contains a great photo that will enhance your work. When you tap photos, you can either find photos, you can look at Adobe stock, you can look in your camera roll, you can take a picture, and you have many other places to look as well. So as you can see here, I put in trees when I said find a photo, and it just looked up on the internet all these wonderful pictures of trees. Then you'll start scrolling down the page, and as you scroll down, you'll hit the plus and you get some options here. One of the options is to add more photos, add text, add a button, which is a link, add video. This is basically from YouTube, or you can add a video grid of a photo grid for featuring some of the pictures that you have. You can also make a glide show of your photos where it just glides right over those photos, and that looks pretty neat as well. So again, if you tap photo, you'll have the same things on the side that you can choose from to get your photos. When you tap text, you'll be able to type up your text, but you also have features up here that change the size. You can make a link right there in your writing. You can align everything. You can bullet point things as well, and then bold and italicize. When you tap to add a button, which is a link, just make sure you give your button a title, and then you can also put in your page you're linking to show information that you want to in your writing. On the bottom portion, you can align the button label to the left, the right, or the middle. If you add a video, it basically tells you you can add a link from YouTube, and then the other locations that they're showing you here. If you make a grid with your photos, you just tap, and it of course gives you those same places that you can choose from on the side. When you first open up Glide Show, it will say create a glide show. It gives you a beautiful way to tell your story, choosing photos, texts, block quotes, images, and more. Here you will do the same thing. What's great is you have the same menu to choose from. And then another thing that you can do, and it's one of the last things, is you can choose right up here the themes, so it will change the look of your finished Adobe Spark page, and you can choose one of these themes, and you can keep scrolling actually to see the rest of the themes, and when you choose it, it will apply it to your work. Enjoy and have fun exploring and creating.